in this short video about GenoSurf, I will explain to you how to perform a search using the key value part of the interface. This is intended primarily to search on original metadata. First, you need to choose if you want to search among keys or values. Then you type something in the search bar and press the magnifying lens. You may search keys and values that match exactly your string or just contain it. Let us try some examples. We may want to search for a disease, but we couldn't find it in the upper part. So we try in the key value search. And we indeed find that it is an attribute contained in Genomic Conceptual Model. These are some example values, and if you want to use it, you can use this drop-down. We cancel our search, and we now try warning, because we remember that we should exclude data that have specific problems. This is usually recorded in some warning. We find this ODDI warning category, which has 14 distinct values. Mixed run types, inconsistent control runtime, and so on. We want to include all of them, but exclude the antibody characterized with exemption. We apply this, and it is recorded in this panel as a selected query. The number of items found is updated accordingly. Now, we may want to search for a particular histone modification as a value. And this is indeed an attribute found in the Genomic Conceptual Model as target, and this is its value. We want to select it and then apply it. Finally, we may want to look for an encode specific accession, which is this one, and with exact match. We indeed find 4 items that belong to this experiment. And in the result items table, we can visualize these 4.